Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by telling the OS your app can resize. Open Android Manifest and set Android. Resizable activity equals true on relevant activities. Once done, increment target SDK to a modern level so behavior matches current system policies. Make sure merged manifests from libraries do not override this flag. Next, update your build configuration to support multi-window and enable any platform compatibility flags. This step registers the activity for split screen. You must complete it before changing layouts or lifecycle handling. Once the activity is resizable, adapt UI and lifecycle. Provide alternate layouts using smallest width or width qualifiers and design dual pane views that reflow at narrow widths. Constraint layout and fragment separation help. Then handle runtime changes. Override on multi-window mode changed and on configuration change to adjust padding, navigation, and input focus. Preserve transient state with on-save instance state or view model so data survives when the system resizes or pauses your activity. This ensures Finally, test thoroughly across emulators and devices. Try 1/2, 1/3, and uneven split ratios. Check layouts at smallest width thresholds like 600 dp. Optimize touch targets, pause heavy background work when your activity loses focus, and tweak animations for variable sizes. If things go wrong, inspect the merged manifest to confirm resizable flags, watch lifecycle logs for on multi-window mode changed calls, and verify you have the correct resource qualifiers. This single troubleshooting tip, check the merged manifest, fixes most unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.